Hold up.
Welcome back guys to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to insert a data in a database which have different data types and how to set a primary key to a field and how to auto increment that. So let's get started. First we are going to create a table, so go to Server Explorer, here add new table. So we are going to add 4 to 5 field. First is ID, data type will be int, then full name, data type varchar 50, roll number, int, and address varchar, assign. So set primary key, go to column property, and here identity specification, go here and say yes. Now guys, what we are going to do is, in a web page we are going to insert only value for full name, roll number and address, and value for ID will get automatically inserted in a table. So we are going to see how. Now save it as ABC. Okay, save it as a ABCD. Okay, now here cancel this. Now go here, add new item, say ABCD, add it, come here, align is equal to center. Okay, center. Now go to the design and your table, add 5, say okay, and right here full name and roll number and address. Go here, toolbox, here, text box, copy this text box, paste here and here. Now go here, come here, add new button, give a name as submit, and here new label, now double click this button. Okay, right, using system dot data, sorry, data, using system dot data SQL client, and using system dot configuration. So come here, SQL connection pod is equal to new SQL application manager dot connection string, and you can write your path like I've saved with particular name, so I'm writing connection string, and that's right. Now on dot open, and here SQL command cmd is equal to new command insert into ABCD values, and it will be like so. Guys, we are going to type here the thing which we have assigned to full name, then thing which we have assigned to roll number, and thing which we have assigned to address. So here it will be text box 1 dot text, text box 2 dot text, okay, and text box 3 dot text, and come here com, right, cmd dot execute non-query, label 1 dot text is equal to record successfully added, and label 1 dot label 1 1 dot for color supporting system dot drawing dot color dot red, and com dot close it, right? So guys, you might have curiosity that why I inserted single quotes and then double quotes for full name and only double quotes for roll number. So guys, data type like varchar, we write single quotes and then double quotes, and the data type like int, we always write double quotes only, not single quotes. So here I solved your query, I guess. So now we'll run this code and see whether the data is getting inserted into a database and auto increment is happening or not. So run this. Okay, Kevin Owens, roll number 6, address Canada, right? Submit. Record successfully added. So we'll check whether the record is got added or not, right? Here So guys, as you can see this, the value for ID get inserted automatically by using auto incrementation. And here Kevin Owens full name, rule number 6, and address Canada got inserted successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, please subscribe to my channel and share our videos, and I'll be back with another video. Thank you.